In our previous class, we are discussing about the primary memories, right? Memories in computer organization. We know that the memories are divided into the two categories. One is the primary memory and another one is the secondary memory or auxiliary memory. So the primary memories are again divided into the two parts. We know that one is the random access memory, another one is the read-only memory. In our previous class, we are completing the discussion about the random access memory, and we also illustrate the structure of the black diagram of the RAM chip. For the basic computer, we are connecting the 180 bytes, 128 bytes of the RAM chip. So hence it consisting of the two chip select signals. One is the CS1 and another one is the CS2 bar, and also it has the read signal to extract the data from the RAM and the write signal, right, to send the data into the RAM. And to address these 128 bits, it also has the 7-bit address line, right? We will also write a truth table for this one. What happened CS1 and CS depending upon the CS1 and CS2 values. Now we are discussing about the ROM chip. The ROM is also be considered as a primary memory, right? What within the ROM, as per its name represents, this is the read only memory. That means the contents which are within the ROM are able to extract to outside for the execution. We are not going to be write anything into the ROM. So we already discussed this one also. The ROM consisting of the bootstrap programs. That means the programs which are required to start the computer. So to start the computer is known as the booting. So the basic programs which are directly able to execute on the hardware that are stored within the ROM. So for the basic computer, we would like to uh, connect the 512 bytes of the ROM, 512 bytes of the ROM. Hence it has only the one signal, that is the read signal. And to extract the data from ROM, we know that it has the 9-bit address lines. Because we know that 2 to the power of 9 equal to 512. The addresses are also in a binary format. I show here the organization of the ROM chip also. Here we can able to understand this is the ROM chip 9-bit address, and two chip selections. This is the 8-bit data bus to write the to extract the data, and two chip select signals, that is CS1 and CS2 bar, right? That means suppose we are connecting the number of chips, which chip is going to be selected. For example, CS2 bar. These are the chip select signals in the ROM. Now how we are going to be connect the RAM and ROM chips into the basic computer, right? So for the basic computer, we connect both RAM and ROM chips. The both has the same capacity. The RAM has the 512 capacity and ROM has the 512 capacity. But here we are consider the RAM has the only 128 bytes, hence it need the 4 RAM chips to getting the 512 capacity, and one ROM chip is sufficient to get the 512 capacity. So here I am going to demonstrate the how these are connected for RAM chips. I am going to be consider this is the RAM chip 1, this is the RAM chip 2, this is the RAM chip 3, and this is the RAM chip 4, and this is the ROM chip. To address or to extract the data from this, so this is 128 bytes. So this consisting of at least 7 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and to extract the ROM, and 9 lines are required, 8 9 and 10th line. So let us consider, suppose the first 7 address bits are used to represent the extract any data from RAM chip. Suppose this is the 00, it represents the first chip of the RAM, and suppose this is the 01, and these 7 lines are used to get the data in any location from RAM chip. So this is the second one. Suppose this is the 10, actually we are also be keep here zeros because this is not going to be used. So this is the third chip. So this is 7 bits are used to extract the data from any location of the third RAM, and this is 0 and 1 1. These again these 7 bits are used to extract the data from the any location from the fourth RAM chip. So suppose now we are going to be extract the data from the ROM chip. Suppose the 10th bit is 1, and we know that we require 9 bits of address because the capacity of the ROM chip is a 512 bits. Hence these 9 bits are used to extract the data from any location from the ROM. I show the table also which is expressed in the textbook. So this one. So dear friends, please observe that one. This is the first chip, right? The 7 bits are used, and 00 and 01 second chip, 10 third chip, 11 fourth chip. The 10th bit is enabled. This is the ROM chip. In this way we are going to interconnecting RAMs and ROM chips. In the next video I will explain how the RAMs and ROM chips are interconnected to the basic computer. I will explain that circuit. I hope you can understand this one. Thank you.